This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable autoplay on Twitter. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Twitter. To disable autoplay on Twitter, first thing you need to do is go to the pane in the left hand side and you want to click on More. Then from here you want to go to Settings and Privacy. And from here in the center pane you want to click on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. And then off to the right side here, you want to click on Accessibility. And right down here under Motion, here is Autoplay right here. You want to click on that. And by default, it is on for cellular or Wi-Fi. But if you want to disable it, you just check on Never. And now it is disabled. That is how you disable autoplay on Twitter. Thanks for watching.